Hey guys, Revant here. Welcome back to my channel, BotGeek. And I know I haven't uploaded for a very long time, but I'm back. And in this video, I'm going to talk about a Gmail trick that you guys can use to sort out your Gmails very efficiently. So let's get started. So you need to open your Gmail first, and I have my mail opened. So I think most of you guys know the star feature in Gmail. So you can basically mark the Gmails that are important for you by using the star feature. Now you can star how many other Gmails you want to. And I only have one Gmail starred, and that is sent to me by YouTube. So let's take an example here. Suppose you have 10 Gmails that you have starred. But one of the Gmail is like the most important Gmail to you. But you can't find the Gmail because all of the Gmails are starred and all the stars are in yellow. So, how are you going to find out your most important Gmail? You need to use a different star. So, how are you going to get those different stars? We're going to know about that in this video. So, to get different stars, you should go to settings. And after you go to settings, so you have this settings icon, you should go to see all settings. Okay, now if you scroll down a bit, you can see these stars. Now in use, I have different stars. By default, you will only have the yellow star. But if you want more stars to sort out your Gmails more efficiently, you can drag them in. I will keep the pink star, or that is some sort of a red star. I'll keep this symbol, the purple star. Now I have 4 in use. So after you have dragged all the stars that you need, you can go down and press on Save Changes. And now, if you see, you are getting your different stars. So you can sort out your Gmails very easily. And when the most important Gmail has a different star color, you will be able to find it really easily. So this Gmail trick will be really useful if you have a lot of starred Gmails. So thank you for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.